Good Thursday morning, all. Today is Thinking Cap Thursday. Check out what to solve and be ready to share at 8:30. Just a couple of reminders. Today you have due both your spelling and vocabulary assignments that were sent through Seesaw earlier this week. Tomorrow is Friday. Your project of the week is due on landforms, as well as your reading and math assignment in Seesaw that is for Freckle. Let's see, today after Spanish, we will do a lesson on Nearpod about multiples and factors. At 10:45, we will meet in our small reading groups. And at 11:45, we will meet to break out in rooms to work together on main idea and details. Tomorrow being Friday, you'll be tested in Sebas Realize for your reading test, and your spelling test will be in Seesaw. Let's make it a great Thursday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.